How to make a shape transparent in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'll show you step by step, so please watch this video still until the very end because you don't want to make any mistakes. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. On this YouTube channel I'm trying to provide you with solutions for problems that you may have online, and if that sounds an interest for you, please consider subscribing. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first step is to start a new presentation or reopen an existing one. I'll reopen an existing presentation. And now what you want to do is to go to insert, and here we have shapes. So insert a shape, and here now guys, once you positioned your shape, now what you want to do is to make this shape transparent. So you need to go here on fill color and now scroll down, and here you see transparent. Type on transparent. Now your shape is transparent, but now you want to tap on custom because maybe you want your shape still to have the color you just selected. So select the color, and now from here select the transparency. So as you can see, now the shape is transparent. So guys, that's what you need to do, is to tap on custom, and from here you can change the transparency. As you can see, that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you in the next one. Take care.